For head wearable tech, it's been a pretty big week. Meta released their weirdly named Meta Ray-Ban display, and the reviews I've seen have been pretty positive. Though the idea of requiring in-person appointments to buy these has been pretty annoying. Samsung's Project Muhan headset reportedly got delayed from September 29th to October 21st, with availability likely starting out in South Korea only. The upgraded Vision Pro that's been all but confirmed to be shown off in Apple's October keynote has been leaked even more, this time by the FCC. The documents shared by the FCC didn't show off any new info since it was just some nerdy internet test reports, but it confirms even more that we'll see the updated headset by the end of the year, though the only expected update is a chip upgrade from M2 to M5. The biggest news this week is a report by Bloomberg's Mark Gurman. Apple is pausing work on the rumored Apple Vision Air to focus their efforts on making smart glasses that rival Meta's. The Vision Air is a cheaper, lighter version of the Vision Pro that was meant to come out in 2027, but unfortunately, Apple moved staff from this headset over to their two smart glasses projects. Gurman told us a bit more about these projects. One is regular smart glasses that pair to an iPhone and have no display, while the other will have a display, likely to compete with Meta's Ray-Ban displays. If this is all true, then it's obvious that Apple is scared of Meta's growing dominance in the smart glasses scene, and want to do everything in their power to catch up. The display glasses were originally planned to be released in 2028, but Apple wants to get them out much sooner, according to Gurman. Of course, this impacts anyone who's been waiting for a cheaper, lighter version of the Vision Pro. A great device for watching movies and productivity, but also very expensive and heavy. It's definitely worrying to see Apple being so willing to put this headset on the back burner, but it's important to note that the Vision Air development isn't cancelled, just paused, at least for now. This also doesn't mean that the updated Vision Pro rumored for release this year is getting affected, which I guess is good. Gurman has a mixed track record when it comes to getting leaks right, so it's tough to tell if this is Apple's actual plan behind the curtains. Anyways, let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed, and take care.